नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहतगी। आज मैं आपके साथ इंफॉर्मेशन पढ़ने वाली हूं जो ये है कि इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट डिलीट्स ट्वीट अबाउट होस्टिंग एक्ट्रेस तापसी पान्नू एंड अक्यूज्ड इन टैक्स एवेजन केस टू टॉक अबाउट ड्रग अब्यूज इन अ वेबिनार। मतलब पहले उन्होंने तापसी पान्नू के बारे में ट्वीट किया, फिर बाद में वो ट्वीट निकाल दिया। दिस वाज डन बाय CGST दिल्ली ईस्ट कमिश्नरेट, जिन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया वेबिनार ऑन अवेयरनेस ऑफ ड्रग अब्यूज बाय डॉक्टर राजीव नंदी PhD हैं जो, और ये उन्होंने इसलिए किया एज अ पार्ट ऑफ आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस फेस्टिवल अहेड ऑफ इंडियाज इंडिपेंडेंस डे। तो ऑब्वियसली मैं इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, अगर आप सरकार के खिलाफ भी बोलेंगे तो भी सरकार के लोग आपको काम देंगे, आपको पब्लिसिटी देंगे। आपने देखा है सोनम कपूर वॉज देयर एट PMO ऑफिस टू मीट Modi ji because that's the way it works. Her father is a Modi fan. She obviously does not like Modi ji. She calls Modi ji a Hindu fundamentalist, but still she was there at the PMO office because she is a successful actress. So obviously she was supposed to be there and she was there. तो यहाँ पर अगर आप मोदी जी की बुराई करते हैं, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सरकार आपके साथ एसोसिएट नहीं करेगी। सरकार will associate with you. But people like us who are openly supporting the sarkar, we get crushed because we are the people who do it out of our free will and we create lot of enemies and these enemies हमको obviously attack करते हैं without us knowing. We are caught unawares, we are just thrown under the bus. तो इसलिए मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ अभी आप सभी को कि be little selective in putting your opinion out there. Yes, it is still a democratic country, we are allowed to put out opinion out there, but बहुत सोच समझ कर अपने sides लीजिए, बहुत सोच समझ कर अपना पक्ष दीजिए, because you never know who's right and who's wrong, and in the whole bargain of siding with one person you make a lot of enemies. This I have seen recently in the last few months. I have experienced it. I don't want to discuss further on this. साथ साथ में इतना ही कहना है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल को बरी कर दिया गया है from a false case that was filed against him. That is what the court is saying. Delhi court discharges Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, Deputy CM Manish Sisodia and 9 other MLAs who were accused of manhandling Delhi's then Chief Secretary Anshu Prakash. मगर कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर किया है that frame charges against 2 AAP MLAs Amantullah Khan and Prakash Jarwal in the matter. अब obviously इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे आपके सपोर्टर्स बोल रहे हैं कि दिल्ली के अंदर जो बीजेपी के लीडर्स थे उनको कटघरे में खड़ा किया जाए फॉर मेकिंग फॉल्स एक्यूजेशंस। टेलीविजन एंकर, स्पोक्स पर्सन जिन्होंने ये फॉल्स एक्यूजेशंस को स्प्रेड किया, एंड दिल्ली पुलिस जिन्होंने ये फॉल्स केस फाइल किया। अब पुलिस तो केस फॉल्स फाइल कर सकती है, दैट कैन हैपन एनीवेयर इन इंडिया because अभी भी ऐसा होता है। So I can somewhat understand what these people are trying to say, but I'm glad that the court could distinguish between a real case and a fake case, and the people who were accused of fake charges got relief. इतना ही कहना है भारत के अंदर, yes we are in a लोकतंत्र, we are in a लोकतंत्र, we are allowed to speak, we are allowed to give our opinion, that's what we think, but be a little bit much more careful about giving your opinion, because once you give your opinion you create a lot of enemies and these enemies attack you unawares. आप तो एक चेहरा होते हैं कैमरा के सामने, कैमरा के पीछे अनगिनत लोग होते हैं जो आपकी वीडियोस देखते हैं, and they become your enemies for no fault of yours, you were just sharing an opinion. ये मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ कि मैंने मोदी जी की दाढ़ी के ऊपर भी एक पोस्ट किया है, बिकॉज मोदी जी, यू नो आई लव यू, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू, यू आर अ ग्रेट लीडर, बट समवेयर someone in your office does not like me, so I'm just making this video to kind of bring that to notice. क्योंकि कोई आदमी जब आपको इतना खुलकर सपोर्ट करता है and still you don't revert to that person, that's perfectly understood. I don't expect that to happen because I support you. But इतना ही कहना है कि आपको अपनी दाढ़ी शेव कर लेनी चाहिए because you are the Prime Minister of India. Shaving your beard is healthy, it is hygienic, it is what Hindus do regularly. I really don't know why you're not shaving your beard. Earlier I thought it was because of corona, but corona के साथ साथ people are shaving their beards, women are cutting their hair, people are doing whatever basic things need to be done with proper precautions. So I think you can go ahead and shave your beard. I don't know why you're not shaving your beard. Earlier I thought it was corona. I don't know what's the exact reason. So I think you should shave your beard because it looks very, very funny. Because हमारे देश भारत के अंदर we associate beard a lot with people of other religion. Here I'm not trying to create another controversy, but I am very, very shocked. Why are you not doing that? because appearances do matter. आप हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं. How you are seen is how people will perceive you. So this दाढ़ी thing I really do not understand, because there was a time in 2019 when आपका एक photograph viral हुआ था where you had worn भगवा clothes and you were doing आरती and there was tilak on your head. So that photograph had become viral and I was very happy to see that photograph because you're a Hindu. But somewhere right now, looking at your appearance, I feel very disappointed. I don't like it, the way you look. So I really hope you can shave and you can become what you were before 1 year. That's it. This is just an opinion. I hope I'm allowed to say that because कभी कभी तो मुझे लगता है भारत के अंदर डेमोक्रेसी है कि नहीं है. You can say your opinion or you cannot say your opinion because then you get trapped in criminal cases. Anyways, thank you so much. Bye.